Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're revving up for a look at the 2026 Yamaha YZ125, a legendary name in the world of motocross. Long celebrated for its lightweight agility and two-stroke thrill, the YZ125 returns with refinements that push its performance and design into the next generation. Let's dive into what makes the new YZ125 a serious contender for riders who crave speed, control, and fun. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 sports a sleeker, race-ready look with updated bodywork that enhances both aerodynamics and rider ergonomics. The new plastics offer improved durability while keeping the signature aggressive styling. A slimmer seat and narrower tank improve rider movement, and bold new graphics give it a fresh factory look. Every detail is tuned for performance and attitude, making the YZ125 as striking as it is fast. Performance and powertrain. At its heart, the 2026 YZ125 retains its high-revving 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, now tuned for improved mid-range punch and smoother throttle response. A revised power valve and upgraded exhaust system enhance low-end torque, while a new 6-speed transmission offers crisper shifts. The chassis is lighter and stiffer, paired with updated KYB suspension for better feedback and control across varied terrain. Safety and technology. Though focused on pure performance, the 2026 YZ125 introduces smart touches for rider confidence. A new brake system offers stronger, more consistent stopping power. The cockpit features a revised handlebar layout for better grip and control, and optional GYTR tuning accessories let riders customize power delivery and handling. It's a more refined ride without sacrificing its raw two-stroke character. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that evolution can be thrilling. With sharper design, smarter updates, and signature Yamaha power, it's a must-ride for new racers and seasoned pros alike. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more two-wheel insights, ride reviews, and motorsport highlights.